All right, so here I am at this week's practice test, and I want to make sure it's all on the screen there. All right, and so essentially what you do, you get here, it's pretty straightforward, like anything you're used to doing on the internet. You put in some information to get you registered, and in this case, this is so that your results will be emailed to you, and then the test comes up. So it kind of gives you some information. This is the week of May 9th, 2022. It tells you, that there's 5 questions and what's passing and the time limit you'll have. So that's what we got there. The next page. And then you're going to come down here to some basic shape measurement type questions. And as we go through, be mindful that time is ticking away. So, don't take too long. But this first one, I just want to show you, what is the perimeter of this triangle? That's fairly simple because we know the perimeter is the outer edges of this shape. And so we're just going to go ahead and do, make sure I got my right color here. We're going to say 11 plus 6 is 17 plus 10. So the perimeter is going to be 27 inches. Now the area, and that's perimeter. Now the area, the formula for an area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So in this case, the base is 6 and the height, just abbreviate HE for height. The height is 10. So that's going to be 1/2 times 6 times 10. 6 times 10 is 60. Half of 60, of course, is 30. And so that's going to be 30 square inches. And then what you do is you come down in here and you just simply put your answer, 27 in there, and then your answer there, 30. And then I'm going to hit submit. Oh, cancel. Actually, I don't want to submit yet. I want to go down to the next question. Then so the next question you'll see is a question on area of circle. Then the question of that is the volume of a cone. Then the question of that is a word problem. And then the question after that is another word problem. So again, the whole point of this is so that as you're going through, every week we post a new quiz like this. And the idea is just to give you the skill and what you're going to see in terms of a word problem like I showed you down here on the GED test. This is by far the best way to prepare. And I'm offering this to anybody who wants to on my website. Every week I put a new practice test up there. And it's just to help you. Or, obviously I have a course that's for sale. I have other things, workbooks. I have small groups. I have all kind of stuff like that. But even if you're not in the market for that or interested in any of that, you can come and use this practice test. Now, the only thing is I only keep them up for a week. So, if you miss this week, you'll just have to see what happens next week. But I just encourage you to go to the website every week and to take the new practice test. At the very least, this is going to help give you some practice to strengthen your skills and get you ready to be successful on the GED math test.